Okay, it's later in the day, it's that time, it's whatever time it is, I don't even care. I've been working all day since I started doing this, but all I'm wanting to do, turn my headlight off so we can get a normal light in here. Been working all day just trying to get the belts changed out, which I finally did. And let's see here, I haven't even uploaded them to the computer, so I just do this and see. Well, can't do this. Just like that. These are the old. I can't remember. Yeah, the ones on the right are new. The ones on the left are old. And so I measured the old ones first. And well, anyway, I measured the old ones first, then I measured the new ones, and then that's mileage on my truck. Ha ha ha. That's an old picture. Okay. So I'm just shooting this for my benefit because I finally put power to it while I have it all apart, and I know these two plugs don't mean anything as far as the tape deck running, but that one does. Okay, and so my whole happy thing is that this has got micro switches up underneath, which I'm not going to show you in this video, but they're really, well, they're actually, well, maybe I can show them, I don't know, but they coordinate with that metal plate which is above the keys, which are down there, and there's like 3 micro switches or so, and then all that, and it wouldn't work before, and so now it works, and now it should work properly because I've got new belts in there. I actually barely used new belts because I took them out of the other machine. Alright, because I really want this one to work best as it can for as long as it can, and this is such an arduous task to take this thing apart. I really don't ever want to do this again, and that's all I can say right at the moment. Yeah, that's it. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.